If you have a keychain on here, you don't have to take it off. You just leave it on there. And here on the edge, you see the emblems on this side, buttons on this side. You want to try to do it without pressing the buttons, especially the panic button. But right here is a little button here that you do want to press. It's just like a little latch that releases this end cap. So you just kind of press in a little bit, and it releases this end cap here, which also has a physical key attached to it. Now you don't want to set this down quite yet. Now you see right in here on the edge, you can see right here, there is a little space, and that is a little starter spot. So what you want to do is put the key in there and just kind of turn it until you hear a little pop there. And once you hear that pop, that just releases this one corner. And considering how expensive these keys are, most people kind of get a little scared doing the next step if they don't know what to do. You know, they try to pry on it with their hands or whatever, and it feels really tight. So what you have to do is take the key fob and pull it, like kind of push it under here and pry up. Okay, so you have to go like this to get it open. This is a little weird. It seems like it could be designed a little bit better. But basically you want to do is push it under there and pry, because there we go, snap, that's really tight. And then you go over here, snap that side, and you can see that it snaps on there, but man, is it really hard to unsnap. So now we can set this down. We can also set down the physical key and the keychain or whatever. And this is where the battery is located. Now the battery is a CR2032 battery. In this case, they have a nice Maxell made in Japan battery. So what you want to do basically is just kind of slide it this way. Now you can see right there, there's a little bit of pressure from the little kind of spring-loaded ends right here. So you want to catch it so you don't go flying across the room. And then you can take it out, get the new battery, and make sure that the numbers and everything are still facing up when you put it in there. Try not to touch it too much, especially inside there. So you kind of get it started underneath this tab, and then just kind of push it in place. And then when you get the new battery in place, make sure it's secure all the way around. There's not, you'll feel it when you push it in. It'll kind of snap, kind of snugly goes in place, I guess you can say. And then we take this end cap here and put it in place and kind of get the bottom started like so, to where it looks like that. And then without pressing the buttons on the other side, just kind of start pushing it. And then this side right here has this little bulge, so I got to press that to get all the snaps around. Check the edges everywhere. Make sure that everything is, the seam is all good. This little part right here especially, because it's easy to overlook that part. And then you can put the physical key back in, and then you're all finished.